One of the greatest additions to the project portfolio management suite is OnePlan. We have been doing OnePlan implementations, and they are a Microsoft Gold partner, as are we, and we are fortunate to partner with OnePlan and think it's a fantastic tool for portfolio management. So we're going to begin a series of videos just to show some of the great benefits and usability of the OnePlan tool. So today we are in the My Portfolio view in OnePlan. And as you can see, this would be the equivalent of Project Center in Microsoft's Project Online. You can expand the view easily so that you can see all of the projects. They are portfolio level, program level, and project level. All of these are plans in OnePlan. And you can see we have color-coded statuses, various budget fields, dates, and percent complete. But what is a great benefit of this tool is the fact that end users are able to modify portfolio views. This is not the case in Project Online, and so we are sort of giddy about the fact that users can do this and create their own personal views. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. So there's lots of different icons here on the top. You can see right now we're in the plan type portfolio. We could look at just projects if we wanted to. That is still going to show different plan types that are on the project level. But if we can go to all types here, you can switch there as well. And we've already expanded it, so it's already got that expanded rather than collapsed. If we use the minus button, then you can see we can go in the opposite direction there. But we're going to expand the view. And this is really what I wanted to demonstrate today, is this fantastic select columns button. So what you can do here on the left side is, if you decide that you wanted to see who created this plan or on what date it was created, you can simply slide it over to the left hand side. If you decide that you want that to be the very first field, you can bring it up to the top. You can click OK. And then once it finishes thinking, we're going to see this, the date on which it was created, 7/22. This is when this particular demonstration group was created. And now what we can do on this drop-down menu is we can save the view, and I could create a personal view if I wanted to. And we're going to uncheck default view, and I'm going to save that view. Administrators can also overwrite default views and non-default views, so they will have the ability to edit these. Project managers would not have that ability. However, they can create their own personal views. And now, every time I go to the Jenny view, it's going to have this created field here on the left. More to come. Join us for our OnePlan tips and tricks series.